Hey guys, you know the thing about the fighting? Well, delaying it till 4 o'clock Pacific.
Yes, 4.
7 o'clock Eastern.
So, grab your cozy seats and get a snack. And yeah, if you have any questions, my number will be in the side link, either this way, yes, this way. Alright, and any last?
I will love you if you watch it. Oh yeah, and
Me too.
The live link will be there. We'll be live soon.
Yes, at 4.
When everyone goes to sleep. Which could be forever.
Okay, bye-bye. That's it.
I love you. Bye.
Yes. Stop.
With John.